Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have this car here, BMW 2022
530i.
530i. This color I like it too. And now our problem here is that there is nothing wrong. They have a body shop work a little bit. They remove the bumper. They disconnect the grill, the shutter grill. You know, the shutter grill that close here for engine performance. And after that, the check engine light I believe is on. Let's see how the design from inside and how we can get rid of it. I'm gonna push the brake. Okay. Can I get that key? Okay, the key was in the roof. Please don't put those keys. Don't put those car key on the roof when you stop, either in your pocket or forget about it. Because yesterday I have a guy who finished the work. He put the car in the lift. He put the key on the top of the roof. He drove the car and the key fell out. So always try to be sure that everything is there and correct. Okay, now, whatever code we have here, we have to get rid of it. Do you have any codes? Check control, lower tire pressure. Let's see what we have here. I just want to be sure that there is no codes there. I am using my Insta A tools. I'm gonna also do the video recording here. Let me stop the air condition. Okay. Let's go to, we're gonna wait for the system to come on. Stay with us. We just want to be sure that everything is okay after the repair before we give it to the customer, and we need to know how many computer at least is built in this car and what is there. So I'm gonna try to read out vehicle data, connect. We try to communicate with this car. There, this is our ICOM. This is 2022, and we're gonna see what is there. If we'll be able to read the info, yes, that's the car. This is G series or? Okay, it's a G30. It's a G30.
530i.
Yeah, G30 530i. So it gives us all the information. G30 sedan. Okay, 5 series. Okay, now let's try to start vehicle test. I want to know how many computers we have. Wow, that's beautiful. Huh? We have two computers are not communicating. What is this here? I gotta see it. What it is? We have two computers that are not communicating. Two items. What is this? LHM R, LHM right. Did you change headlights? The car get.
The headlights were out, if I'm not mistaken.
They're out or they replace it?
I don't remember. I think I took these. Yeah, I think.
Can you check if both of them working?
No, the headlights are working.
It's working?
Yeah, it was just out there.
I see some two modules that they are not communicating. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, when you turn it
LHM left, LHM right. I want to see what they are.
Let me actually check out the headlights. I don't remember.
Okay, let me see. Okay, now I finish here.
But boss, did we take the headlights out this car? We took out the headlights, right?
Yeah, I took the headlights out.
You disconnect the headlight?
I just disconnected, that's all I did.
No, I know you replace it or just you
No,
take.
I don't replace it. I only disconnect the both headlights and put them back in there.
Okay. Let me see what happens.
Alright, cool.
All right.
Alright, cool.
Okay, let me see display default. No communication possible with the control unit headlight left. No communication possible with the control headlight right. Function limitation. That's very strange. Okay, Let me delete everything and then see what happened.
And the interior beautiful. Wow.
Yeah, I like it.
All back here, look, I got courtesy lights.
I like it, yeah.
I got heated seats. What?
Yeah, even not heat, even the steering column also.
Oh, that's heated too.
Yeah. Okay, let me see if I can delete all the code.
Let me see how your brain.
Yeah, I want to clear all the codes and see what happened. Okay, I delete all the codes. Okay. Just try to check the headlights. They may have more than one connection.
What the headlight?
Yeah, later on maybe you have to see, because I have two codes left, and this is say the left headlight and the right headlight. Maybe this is because beacon. Okay, maybe is available, everything is good, but this car, the tool I have, maybe it will not be able to communicate with it, but everything will look okay. Tire pressure, maybe your tire need to be checked, or what happened, I don't know.
Yeah, put air in it, right?
You may have to put some air on it. Other than that, I don't see anything. I have two fault code. Yeah, no communication with left headlight. Okay. But I don't believe this is a problem. Maybe the tools itself doesn't have ability to look at that communication line.
That headlight when it came on just now, that headlight looked like it turned to me, and I don't hallucinate.
Turn it?
Yeah, the headlight looked like it was like swiveling.
Or like, yeah, the headlight, like the one that moved, right? Yes.
I stood there for a minute, and I spun around, and I looked over there at them guys, because I looked to see if anyone was looking, and I said, I know I'm not hallucinating, but I didn't say anything.
Hold on. I don't know, BMW LED light. I don't know why I'm not able to see it, but we did all what we can do. Tell us if there is any problem or any idea you have, please. This is what we did now on this car. It says that the headlight is not communicating. Maybe my software is old. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.